So there, notice my outer R is constant. Is it 4 every single time? So when I draw this, is that cross section going to be the same every single time? But I got to put a hole in there that is the radius. That's going to be my hole, yeah? Is that the hole in my washer? So I'm going to subtract it out. And I'm going to go to a new page. Is everybody caught up to that? You got that? Can I go to the new page so I can write down the integral? Here we go. So what's my volume going to be? My volume is going to be pi integral from, what were my limits of integration? 0 to 2. What was my outer radius? 4 squared minus what was my inner radius? Square root of x, right? Oh, it was x squared, sorry. Oh, but we didn't, no, whoa. It's y squared because we needed to solve for y? Yes. Hang on, go back to this page. We didn't do that. What is this function in terms of y? Let's do it real quick. So do I have to square? Yeah. So do I get x is equal to y squared when I get it in terms of y? Yeah, this one, and so the other was, it's easy. It's already set. It's already x equal to. So going back, now we can write it. So that's going to be y squared, yes, squared dy. Does that make the math really, the calculus really easy? So it's pi. What is the antiderivative of 4 squared, which is 16, in terms of y? 16y. What's the antiderivative of y to the 4th? Y fifth over 5, evaluating from 0 to 2, yes? Yeah? Okay, so what does this equal? Pi, and we're going to plug in the 2, that's 32, minus put in 2. 2 to the 5th, playing 2048. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, right? 32 fifths. Oh, it's minus 0, sorry. I'll just put that down. You don't have to write down the minus 0. I know it's there. I'm just showing that in case you look at this later and wondering what we did. Do you have to evaluate the 0 in your head at least? Because did it matter on your quiz yesterday? Okay, so 32. If I'm doing fifths, there are 5 of them here. 5 minus 1. Does that mean 432 fifths? Did y'all catch that? Don't worry about it. It's close enough. You don't have to evaluate that. If you get it down to there, you're good. Unless it's multiple choice like yesterday, and then you have to go math. The clever way to do this, just so you know, is pi, and that becomes 5 over 532 minus 32 fifths. So that means it's going to be pi times 4 times 32 over 5. And that makes the math a little easier because 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times that is 128 fifths pi. And your mission is to do the other side of that worksheet now.